Highs and lows. What's up everyone? It's Omar. I'm back here again with another video. Today's video is going to be an intro to a new segment that we're going to start posting on this channel, and it's going to be called The Inner You, right? So it's kind of like an interview, but I'm going to be, going into detail a lot more. I'm going to be getting like a little bit more personable with everybody, and I just really want to ask questions or just get to know people like on a more personal level, right? So the way I kind of like thought about this is like a couple months back I was at the barbershop and I was having like a really good conversation with one of my clients, and I noticed it's like, man, like people are awesome. Like I've met so many people throughout my 10 years of cutting that it's like I've heard so many stories. I've heard the family drama, I've heard the success stories, I've heard the depression stories, which is like one of the main reasons I kind of want to do this too. But it's like I've heard so many crazy stories out there that I genuinely feel like could inspire people, or like heartfelt, that if we put them out there into the world, like people might want to like listen and actually like change their whole perspective on life, right? And this kind of ties in with like the whole name of the YouTube channel, but it's like a couple months back too, I was having a really good conversation with my dad, smartest guy I know, but I was going through some tough times, and I remember my dad told me life is like a Ferris wheel. Like you have your moments where you're up top, you have your moments where you're at the bottom, but at the end of the day, the wheel keeps spinning, right? And that's why we ended up naming the channel Highs and Lows, and not just the channel itself, but it's like it has to do also with high and low fades and stuff like that. So we're kind of like bringing everything together, right? The reason why that's kind of incorporated into this is because, like I said, I've had some really good conversations with people where they've told me like that they started from the bottom, now they're up here, or they might have had everything could have been working out perfectly fine with them, and then something happened along the road that just completely threw everything off and their life was in shambles, but somehow, some way they ended up getting back together. And it doesn't always have to be the happy, sad stories too. It's like I've had so many great conversations with people where it's just like there's just like some genuinely like funny people out there. There's like some awesome people. There's people just doing crazy things in their lives that you would never know. But these are just everyday people like you and me. It's not a celebrity. It's not somebody with the perfect face and the perfect body. These are people like me. They got acne. They got crooked teeth. It's just everyday people. Because at the end of the day, if you actually pay attention to your friends and just anyone else around you, it's like everybody wants to talk, but nobody wants to listen. So I want to actually get to listen to these people and hear what they got to say. And like it said, hopefully it can maybe change the way you think, change the way you act, and hopefully it's all in a good way, not in a bad way. I got my first one ready to go, and hopefully I'll be dropping that one soon. I also got a tutorial coming your way, and I know you guys have been asking about that video on how to hang the DIY self-cut system. Eric's working on that. Hopefully he could drop it by the end of 2025. What else we got? Oh, and then like you guys can see, I'm still working on the room. Hopefully it'll be done very soon. I don't want to show it to you guys till it's completely done, but you guys will be able to pick up on cool little things here. I know you guys see the dope vinyls back there. But yeah, stick around. We got so much content coming for you guys. Make sure you guys subscribe, comment, let us know what you guys want to watch, what you guys want to see about, different things, clippers or whatever. But thank you for watching. Highs and lows.